Hello, Tay from Movitherm here, and in this tutorial we'll cover the region of interest known as ROIs and temperature data management system in the Movitherm's iEFD platform. This video will provide practical examples that demonstrate how the iEFD platform processes and uploads temperature data within the predefined ROIs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a thorough understanding of the iEFD system's functions and capabilities. Let's get started. Setting the region of interest on iEFD. When setting the region of interest in your iEFD system, you can choose a large ROI or multiple smaller ones within a thermal image. All ROI information will be sent to the cloud as a group rather than individually for each box. It is crucial to consider whether to use thermal data from the entire image or only specific areas. If any pixel in the ROI exceeds the temperature limit, the alarm will activate. To avoid areas with high activity, ensure you have a clear understanding of the scene and which areas to exclude. In this example, you will observe 4 unique objects within the field of view of the camera. A region of interest known as ROI has been drawn around each object. Please note the different maximum temperature values in each ROI. On the cloud platform, you will see that the highest maximum temperature among the 4 ROI is reported. In this next example, the arrangement of the unique objects has been changed. When you view the cloud platform, you will observe that the highest maximum temperature among the 4 ROI is still being sent, regardless of their order. In this example, one of the 4 ROI boxes have been removed. The object that has been registered as the hottest up to this point is now outside of all active regions of interest. As a result, when looking at the device in the cloud platform, we see temperature has dropped down. It is currently reporting the hottest object within the current ROIs. In this scenario, there are specific pieces of equipment we want to monitor for overheating. Although there are other objects in the image, we are not concerned about their state and want to avoid the temperature of those objects being sent to the cloud. To achieve this, we have drawn boxes only around the areas of the scene we want to monitor and have excluded non-hazardous hotspots. This concludes our video on temperature monitoring with iEFD. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all our latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please email us at info@movitherm.com. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Movitherm. Until next time.